I got 3 new Zippo lighters. One is this gold armor, and another is with this pearl color Zippo, and the last one is Beatles. It's new, so I haven't unsealed yet, but it's pretty cool. Beautiful. And this golden thing, golden one. My first armor Zippo. It's why it's called armor. It's because it's thicker than the usual Zippos. The Beatles, of course, I have to buy one. Yeah, Zippo. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 Zippos. Another one here is this one. Maybe empty. Where is it? It's a Canada Zippo. Well, the other Canadian Zippo is missing, so yeah, bye.